So I am trying this out for the first time. I did a lot of research trying to omit a lot of toxic chemicals, and the laundry soap that we use is so not good for us. So once I got down to the last little drop of it, I decided to order this. Yes, it is a little bit more expensive, but you use less. So it's kind of like, give or take, you know, it's about the same because it's 120 loads. And it says 1 scoop for regular, 2 scoops for heavy soil, larger drum. So this will be my first time using it. This one is ultra concentrated, formulated with earth and plant derived ingredients. Safe, simple, effective. No dyes, no formaldehyde, no petrochemicals, whatever, phosphates, optical brighteners, and this stuff right here. None of that. And cost less per load than the leading brands. And this is a lavender. I heard a lot of reviews about the powder versus the liquid, liquid coming spilled and all that other stuff. And this was, I think, $18.99 and ended up being like 21 or something like that, which is worth it for your health and just to change things, just as well as I did my dish soap as well. So let's see how this Molly Suds works. So I considered this just a regular size, not too full, of my workout clothes and clothes that I do stuff around the house in. So yeah, let's see. Let's put a scoop in and we'll see how they smell and how fresh they are. I don't even use fabric softeners as well. I put vinegar, and I also don't use the dryer sheets. I'm looking into, I think Molly Suds has a dryer sheet. I can't remember what the name of that brand was, but we'll see. Let me open this, show that I'm just opening this for the first time. I hate when I open it and it messes up the, oh, here we go. Oh, this does smell good. It's not too strong. Okay. I should have cut it, huh, y'all? Let's see. Come on. They had unscented. This is for sensitive skin. Okay. There is a scoop in here somewhere. So there it is. So we're just going to use 1 scoop like it says. Let's see how this works. This is 1 scoop. Okay. It's a nice little size. All right, so that's 1 scoop. And we're going to put our vinegar in the fabric softener area. And I like to put some in the bleach area too, for extra clean. I usually put baking soda, but we want this Molly Suds to do its thing by itself and see how it comes out. And I'll be back. I'm just going to put it on a regular wash. No heavy duty, no nothing. We're just going to put it on a regular wash and see how that works out. All right, so the clothes are done. And my main issue was the smell. Oh, okay. Wow. Let's grab my gym outfit. Something from the gym. But everything smells good. Hold on. Grab this from the gym. Okay. All right. I'm liking it so far. Let's see what the towels smell like. They smell clean. They smell clean. The reason I got this too, and what made me really go for the Molly Suds versus the others, is because a lot of people were saying they had husbands who worked on like cars and like did like really nasty jobs that left their clothes nasty, oily, and dirty. And this really cleaned their clothes. So I'm gonna put this in the dryer and see if the scent lasts through the dryer or if they just smell clean. The scent is really not something that is a must. Just like with soap, we're used to scents thinking things are clean. And then we also used to suds and a lot of soapiness to make us believe that that's the cleanliness of it, and it's not the truth. If you really look up stuff with the alkaline pH and that gets the stuff really clean, it has nothing to do with suds or the smell. It really doesn't. It's really the dirt that's really pulled out of it. But yeah, so let me put these in the dryer and let's see how they smell after the dryer, and then we'll go from there with my review on how I like it for the first time. I've been holding on to this last one. I'm actually going to use this on my rugs or something that goes to the floor, not clothing or anything. It's something that really needs to be cleaned, mainly the rugs. So let's hold that last one for that. But let's see how they smell when they come out. So I found the cutest little jar to put my Molly Suds in, and we're gonna see if this fits, if this whole thing fits. It's thinner from the side, so I think I might be good. Let's see. I'm gonna put the soap in. I'm so excited about this. I thought this was the cutest. It was only one. I thought, oh my gosh, that's for me. And I was trying to find something to put my, yep, this will fit perfect. My Suds in, my Molly Suds. Please let it fit. Oh my gosh, I feel like this is gonna be so perfect for these bags. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh, so perfect. This was so for me. This was so for me. Oh my gosh, yes, yes. Oh, I'm so loving it. I'm so loving it. Yes. All right, guys, later. Hey, my gators, I do not know what happened with the footage to the dryer, but they came out and they smelled amazing. I am so in love with this so far, and if anything changes, I will definitely update you, but please do check it out. This is not sponsored, just sharing how I am changing things to better the chemicals and toxins in our home. So later, gators.